Welcome. Today in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to customize always on display feature on this device. So now our LED screen looks like this. So let's just unlock our smartphone and open the Movies Edge application. Here we can select one from these available themes. For example, let's use this one. Just to apply it, click here in the right down corner to apply button. We can switch here the backgrounds of our theme. For example, let's use this one. Tap to apply. We can hide here in the music controls. We can hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. We can use here the feature to show the date. We can also show the battery status on the LED screen always while it was charging or just to don't show it. And let's just tap here to the 6 icon, switch it to the settings and tap to always on display section. Here we can change how to show the always on display feature on lock screen always while it was charging or when we'll play the music, so we can use this feature separately. We can also switch screen timeout from 1 minute to never. We can increase or decrease the brightness level. We can also close the LED by single or double tap on the lock screen. We can also close it with a fingerprint or just on screen off mode. And if you want, you can set also the schedule, the start and the end time of the always on display feature. And if you want, you can turn off the always on display feature, disable it during the calls. And that's it. That's how to customize always on display feature on our UleFone Note 13P. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.